With the verified declaration as part of the ANC filing, there will be no mistake who is the name holder of the assumed business name. That is you, a living man or woman. Further, and equally important, the following critical facts in the verified declaration are established in the public record: your given name, or the given name or Christian name you are called by, your jurisdiction and standing, depending on your core beliefs, your status and allegiance. All of this is critical, especially when we incorporate this with the passport application, because this is sort of like a package. You get the ANC done, then you go federal with the passport, and you incorporate the ANC. Now you got state and federal recognition of the status of your person, and on the federal side, how they look upon you as a man or woman, and they treat you totally different as a result. Where the assumed business name came from, this is huge if you connect the name to the birth certificate. Now, keep in mind, the ANC does not necessarily have to be attached to the BC. There are some people who actually gave up the BC, gave up the Social Security, squashed all these contracts that tie them into the system, and use an assumed business name that they created themselves for themselves and do business through that, almost like you would do a trust. So it can be done both ways. So depending on where a person, most people, still want to have the Social Security. They want to, some people want to still have the driver's license and all of that. So they keep that, but you still can separate yourself. And in their record, the division between the name holder and the principal cannot be one and the same, legally or lawfully. So that's where it's immediate. And if nobody objects in 90 days, that's considered a legal fact. Okay, the birth certificate name, that the all-cap name under the bankruptcy of 1933, a significant dispositive fact. The name holder of the assumed business name is alive and not fictional, not a fictional legal person. And lastly, who is responsible for the all-cap name if you use the birth certificate in connection with the all-cap name? That the state of state is the creator of the name and is liable for its creation and liabilities. All these and other elements are not part of Douglas Joseph's approach. I believe these elements and facts to be critical when dealing with corporate commerce.